Footage showing Ukrainian armed forces attack on the Russian army's military airfield in Chernobyevka town of Kherson region has been released. The footage of the incident that took place in March 2022 has been shared by Russian military journalists. As can be seen from the footage, the soldiers of the invading army are watching the explosion at the airfield from a distance. It's worth noting that Ukrainian army's airfield in Chernobyevka that was invaded in the first days of the war was attacked 7 times in February-March last year. Some 37 helicopters belonging to the Russian army, a large number of other combat vehicles and personnel were reportedly destroyed as a result of these strikes. The value of 7 helicopters destroyed in one day alone was $130 million. The helicopters were used to shell Odessa, Nikolaev, and Ukraine's other cities. Chernobyevka settlement was liberated from Russian occupation in November 2022.